guys, I just wanted to say good morning, and I'm doing a video kind of going over everything that we've been doing the last couple of days as far as the add, subtract, multiply, divide keywords that you guys came up with. I have a list. You guys can just kind of check yours off. I also have the answers to those word problems that you did. I only looked at them to see that you did them this time. For the next group of problems, I'm going to grade based on doing the correct operation. So just kind of keep that in mind as far as while you're doing your work, please do your best. I am kind of checking the answers and making some notes to kind of see where you're at with these. So as far as your bell ringer for today is going to be different for each person, because as you check your answers from your word problems, you are going to go back in and rework those problems that you got incorrect. I did kind of look through some of these, and it looked like some of you might have made just a quick little calculation error, so I do want you to check that. Okay, so I am going to show you so here is the words that we came up with. We've got for add, sum, plus, increase, more, and all together. Subtract, take away, different, decrease, minus, less, fewer. The multiply, we've got times, group, product, each, per, and by, and then divide, group, split, by, quotient, break up, per, and each. Now, one of the things about these is you might see the keywords in two different columns, so you just kind of have to keep that in mind, that while it is nice to have those keywords to look for, that sometimes it can mean multiple things. Okay, you might want to pause the video now so that you can go in and take a look at your keywords so that you have it updated. I am going to pull up the answers from the work you did for the word problems. So here is the answers for the first page, or the first slide, I guess, the first slide. And again, you guys might want to pause because I'm trying to just kind of get through this quickly. Okay, and the answers for the second. Now, some of you got a little confused with number 5. Number 5 was just asking for an equation, so you did have to use that variable in when you wrote it. I did notice it looks like some of you guys got that one correct. Okay, and again, you can pause if you need to. I'm going to just kind of work through another word problem with you, and I'm calling it the bell ringers, not really the bell ringers for today. So it says Jenny paid $4.16 for a sandwich. She paid 95 cents for a piece of fruit. What is the total amount Jenny paid for the sandwich and the fruit? Okay, I'm going to try to write with my pen and my mouse. Okay, so I like to go through and just kind of circle anything that seems important, and then we're being asked for the total amount, so that's kind of helping us understand that we are adding. So we would take $4.16, and we would add 95 cents to that. A little off there, my mouse is kind of hard to write with. 95 cents, and then we would just add those together. So 6 and 5 is 11, 9, 10, 11, and 5. So she paid $5.11. Jenny paid $5.11 for the sandwich and the fruit. Now, you could have used the graphic organizer for that if you had wanted to. I did not. So, if you did use that, you would just go through and fill in all the information that you know and then solve it. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Now, you guys, some of you are leaving comments on the assignments, and I'm not getting reminders or notifications on all of them. I get a few of them. So if you go and it ends up being around 1 and you still haven't received a response, you might want to just send me an email to my email address, which is cdagnon@cusd4.org, just to kind of follow up on that, because for some reason I'm not getting all those comments. And I'm not a person that's going to wait all day for you. So just please do just remind me that you've sent a comment. It does not show up on my Google Classroom at all. I just have to kind of go through and look through. So anyways, if you guys have questions, I'm also going to be available this afternoon on Zoom at 1 o'clock. I'll be there from 1 to 1:30. So if you have any questions, you can log in. Okay, see you guys later.